Good morning, everybody. We're right here at city of Brea. They're doing a new Range Rover. It's a big old crack there. It has a lane departure with the rain sensor. It has a display. And that's all the bells and whistles on this car. We're going to be doing the calibration right now. Just a pre-scan on it. Make sure everything's working good before we start working on it. So we went ahead and pre-scanned it already. Went ahead and took off the cover. We're detaching the rain sensor, disconnecting the rain sensor, detaching from the bracket the mirror, and also the lane departure warning sensor. So as you see, that big old long crack. Yeah. Removing all the clips. I'm going to take off this whole cowling part. I'm going to start the process of removing the windshield. Get the original. Just for this? Oh. Halfway, buddy. All done and complete. Got the windshield replaced. Sensors. Cowling. We're going to go ahead and start the process on the calibration, the ADAS calibration. The second part of it, where we have to do the behind the wheel. But yeah. All right, guys, just calibrated. Doing the final test drive on the calibration, and everything's great.